to get reactivation after a product condition complaint on Amazon. What I'm going to do in this video is outline exactly how my team, Jacques Laveau, one of our brilliant paralegals, won the reactivation after Amazon issued a product condition complaint. Unfortunately, in this particular case, Amazon was right. Our client sent the wrong product. They were doing merchant fulfilled. They made a mistake. We're all human. Amazon knows you are human beings, okay? So what did we do? In the plan of action, root cause, immediate corrective action, long-term changes to your business, that's the format you got to use if you want to win reactivation. We identified what the problem was, what the mistake was, and we also outlined in very specific terms a remedy so that this particular seller would not ship the wrong product to a consumer again. Okay, the proof's in the details. If you're shifting mechanisms, outline the mechanism. If you hired staff, identify the new staff member. So that's how Jacques won reactivation of one of our clients' Amazon accounts. That's how you can win your own reactivation through following proven mechanism, proven arguments that work. If you want to learn more, go to our blog, amazonsellerslawyer.com, and put in our search bar at the blog any topic you're facing, and I guarantee you're going to find some very useful information.